Hi there, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today I am going to walk you through one of the most useful productivity features in Windows 11, Snap Layouts. If you are someone who juggles multiple applications or needs to stay organized while multitasking, this is a feature you're going to love. Let me show you how it works and how to make the most of it. First, let's take a look at where to find Snap Layouts. Open any application, and in the top right corner of the window, you'll see the Maximize button. If you hover your mouse over that button, you'll notice a small menu pop up with different layout options. These layouts show you how you can arrange windows on your screen. For example, you can split your screen into 2 equal halves, or divide it into 3 or 4 sections. The number of options might depend on your screen size, but Windows makes it pretty intuitive to pick what works best. Once you select a layout, simply click on the section where you want your current app to go. Windows will snap that app into place and then show you the remaining space where you can add other windows. This makes it easy to arrange multiple apps without having to resize them manually. If you have apps already open, you'll see them displayed as thumbnails in the empty sections, and you can click on the ones you want to snap into place. It's quick, and the best part is, everything stays organized. Now, let's say you're working on a project and want to switch between different groups of apps. That's where Snap Groups come into play. After you've set up your windows using Snap Layouts, Windows remembers that arrangement as a group. If you minimize everything or switch to a different app, you can return to your Snap setup by hovering over the taskbar icon of any app in that group. You'll see the option to restore the entire group just as it was. What makes Snap Layouts so powerful is how flexible it is. You can customize your workspace based on your tasks. For instance, you might have a browser on one side of the screen and a document or spreadsheet on the other. Or you could have multiple smaller apps, like a chat window, email, and a calendar all visible at once. It's like having multiple monitors without needing extra hardware. If you ever want to change a layout, just hover over the Maximize button again and pick a new arrangement. Windows will adjust everything seamlessly, saving you the trouble of starting over. And if you want to turn off Snap Layouts for any reason, you can disable it in the settings under Multitasking. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tips like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.